lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you guys are all well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for your support and all that good stuff. Anyways, you guys, so I picked up some sunglasses for myself from my boutique, and these glasses are on my site right now, shaunzboutique.com. So these are the glasses that I've been wearing lately, and I must say I'm really enjoying them. I did a video on sunglasses from Key, Australia, and those were cool, but they were more on the expensive side. But I dropped some sunglasses on my site. These are 100% UV. Actually, they have 100% UV protection, and they're quite affordable. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys the styles that I've added to the site. So it's 5 different styles, you guys, and they're quite trendy and chic and retro and all that good stuff. So go ahead and let me know which one was your favorite, and if you want to purchase any, of course, go ahead and check out the link down below, shaunzboutique.com, and pick up yourself a pair or two for the summer, honey. You want to stunt, you want to look good, you want to look sassy, you want to look everything. That's fine, honey. So go ahead and pick up yourself a few pairs if you wish, of course. Go ahead and support. Anyways, the first pair I'm going to share with you guys is called Queen of Hearts, and this is the heart-shaped one. So first and foremost, they come in a bag like this, which is a protective bag, so you can store these when you're not wearing your sunglasses. And as I said, this pair is, sorry, I'm just cleaning it. This pair, it's mirrored, of course, and it has a heart shape, and it's called Queen of Hearts. So let's go ahead and try those on. Boom. What do you guys think? Boom. As you can see, you see everything, so it's, you know, mirrored effect. But these are super cute, you guys. Say what? So yes, this is the first pair, and it's called Queen of Hearts. Check her out. Check her out. Yeah. So guys, these are called Round of Applause, and they're also mirrored. Because I'm wearing lashes, they keep hitting the lens. But these are green ones, and they're also mirrored. But these are super cool. What do you think? Yes, these are called Round of Applause. These are called Blocked Out because they're like visors, and it kind of blocks out. Like outside kind of gets darker, but you can still see, so it kind of gives it that darker tint, which I do like. So if you take it off, it's bright outside, but when you put them on like that, it gets a little, there's a little tint going on. So these are called Blocked Out. So these are super big ones. These are for the days when you don't want to wear makeup. You just, you know, put some lippy on and put your glasses on, and you're out the door. So this is what I like about these ones. They kind of cover almost half of your face. So if you're not wearing any makeup, it's fine, honey. You just need some lip gloss and these, and boom, you're done. So yes, these are called Blocked Out. Moving on, darlings, we're going to put these ones on called Cat's Pajamas. Yes, darling. Yes. What'd you say? What? No, I'm not having that. No. Not with your tax bracket. What? Who's she talking to? Bish where? Bish where? Yes, that's exactly how I feel when I wear these. They are so nice. Oh my goodness. Say what, honey? He ain't worth the stress, child. He ain't worth it. Get rid of him. So yeah, these are the cat's pajamas. Yeah. Let's move on, shall we? And boom, you know we have to have a red pair in the collection, and these are called Spotlight. Jose, yes, could you bring me a drink, darling? Yes, thank you. So these are Spotlight. I feel so fly. I feel like I should be somewhere right now sipping on a drink with my big hat on, and that's the kind of feeling I'm getting. Yes, with the red lips and all that. Yeah. What do you think? Do you like? Do you like? Well, that was fun, don't you think? So I enjoyed doing this lookbook, you guys. This kind of glasses lookbook. I enjoyed trying them on. That was so much fun. Do let me know which one was your favorite pair in the comment section down below. They are £10 each, and you can find them on my site, shaunzboutique.com. Go ahead and treat yourself to a pair or two for the summertime. You want to look fly, honey. You want to look smart. You want to look good. So make sure that you grab a pair or two. You know, you can wear them for different occasions. If you want to go out, you get the flyer ones. If you just want to be on a regular day, you just get the bigger ones and you're good to go. So go ahead and check out shaunzboutique.com. I really enjoyed wearing these glasses, and I've worn some of them before, and I get so many compliments. Like, people are like, where did you get that? shaunzboutique.com, darling. Yes, go check us out. So yes, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts were. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and turn your notifications on. Of course, sometimes my tongue gets tired, and that's no lie. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.